Imagine you're in a crowded place, a shopping mall, a park, or an airport, when suddenly someone collapses. People freeze, unsure of what to do, but you could be the one to make the difference. This is exactly what happened to Noah. He had seen it before, moments where every second counted. Without hesitation, he dropped to his knees and started CPR. Moments like these reminds us how crucial it is to know CPR. It can mean the difference between life and death. But you don't need to be a doctor to save a life. You just need to be prepared. What is CPR and why it is important? CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving technique that keeps blood and oxygen flowing when the heart stops beating. When a person suffers cardiac arrest, their brain can survive for only 4 to 6 minutes without oxygen. Immediate CPR can keep them alive until emergency help arrives. The reality: over 350,000 cardiac arrests occur outside the hospital every year. But with bystander CPR, survival rates can double or even triple. Recognizing an emergency is key. If someone collapses and doesn't respond when you call their name or shake their shoulder, they might be in cardiac arrest. Watch for these signs: sudden collapse, no breathing or only gasping, no pulse. Time is critical. If you see the signs, act fast. Start CPR immediately. How to perform CPR, the CAP method. Even if you are not a medical professional, knowing these 3 steps can help save a life. First, call for help. Noah points to a bystander. Call emergency services now. Where are you? Dial the emergency number for medical assistance. If someone is nearby, ask them to make the call while you start CPR. Next, start CPR, the CAP method. Compressions. Place the heel of one hand in the center of the person's chest. Put your other hand on top and interlace your fingers. Push down hard and fast, at least 2 inches deep for adults and 1.5 inches for infants. Maintain a rhythm of 100 to 120 compressions per minute, like the beat of staying alive. Airway, if trained. Gently tilt the head back and lift the chin to open the airway. B. Breathing, if trained. Pinch the nose shut, cover their mouth with yours and give 2 breaths. Watch for the chest to rise. Continue with 30 compressions and 2 breaths until help arrives. Use an AED, automated external defibrillator, if available. Turn it on and follow the voice instructions. If a shock is advised, deliver it and resume CPR immediately. Important CPR tips: not sure if you're doing it right? Do chest compressions anyway. It's better than doing nothing. Keep going until medical help arrives. Hearing pops or snaps during compression, don't panic. It's normal. Anyone can be a hero. CPR isn't just for doctors, it's for everyone. One simple skill can save a life. Take a CPR training course, share the knowledge and be prepared. Like, share and spread awareness, because you can save a life. You can save a life.